All right, so we had take one, take two on the Waterfall Road to HANA, and now I'm down at the bottom level here, and there's a tour coming through. So now we're gonna go ahead and do it as a, instead of a Facebook Live, we'll do it as a clip. And here we are. So yeah, it's really cool down here. I don't know, sand got ahead of me, but the waterfall view from down here is really, really cool. This is quite the place, and that's why, of course, they can charge 10 bucks for parking and snag a $10 bill from you down in this area. But sand is in here somewhere. I don't know if she went in the water yet. She's going in the water. I can see her. That's her with the purple, lavender purple dress on, Hawaii dress. Sundress. It doesn't matter, like, oh, we just wired it. Hi. Here, let's do this.
Hello. Hello.
Aloha.
Aloha.
Hallelujah.
Beautiful, huh?
It is.
Water's nice. It's so clear. It's so clean. It is cold.
Dan, where are you going? Where are you going? Where are you going? No, I wanted to go in the water and then make sure that I'm on the camera, but I want to walk in front of the waterfall.
Okay, flip it then.
It is already.
Okay, I'll watch it.
See?
You put the towel down there if you want. Alright, so Rock's gonna do the water. I told you it was cold. Hold on. Wow, they do it from way up there, jumping down. Oh.
These are pretty cool.
You got your wallet on ya.
Yo, that was awesome. Huh? Leave on the phone, you can get a video. I got the whole thing. I told you to count to 3 in Hawaiian. It's really nice. Cold, but nice.
Really cold.
Thank you.
It's beautiful, clear. clean.
Oh yeah. Did you snap a couple shots too? Yeah, so this is obviously a highlight. And this is a small waterfall, you said, right? I got you, by the way, when you were standing out here. Yeah. Yeah, let's get the waterfall behind us. I'll hold it high.
You gotta get it farther.
I gotta be on the other side
can't be
because my left hand.
Looks like you're zoomed in.
It seems like it. I don't know why. Because yeah. Let me try to change it. No,
Okay. I guess you just got a big head.
I guess.
You want me to hold it?
No. Well, you're gonna have a longer.
Well, I can hold it and you can push the button.
Oh, that way. Hopefully it's the same.
Beep, 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 beep. Because he...
Let me see how they turned out. All right.